Now, let's talk about the tech that could change everything: solid-state batteries. By replacing liquid electrolytes with solid materials, these batteries promise higher energy density, meaning 500-plus mile ranges could soon be standard. They're safer, longer-lasting, and less prone to fires. Major automakers are piloting prototypes for 2025, bringing mass adoption closer. Solid-state tech could make range anxiety a thing of the past. Imagine cross-country trips with minimal stops and batteries that last longer than ever. The leap is coming, and it's a game-changer for luxury EVs. The future is solid. Ultra-fast charging is here, thanks to 800-volt architectures. Doubling the voltage means faster charging, lighter cables, and less heat. The new luxury benchmark: 80% charge in under 20 minutes, over 200 miles added in a coffee break. This tech is spreading fast, making EV ownership more convenient than ever. No more long waits, just quick, seamless stops. For luxury buyers, time is everything. As more brands adopt this standard, range anxiety fades away. Fast charging is now a must-have feature. Inside, AI is transforming luxury cabins into personalized, intelligent spaces. Hyperscreens and massive displays are just the start. The real magic is in software that learns your habits and anticipates your needs. Voice assistants now understand natural language and can adjust comfort, lighting, and even your mood. Navigation is smarter, planning routes and charging stops automatically. The goal: remove the mental load and make every drive seamless. Your car becomes a digital assistant adapting to you. The luxury EV of 2025 is more than transport. It's a smart, responsive sanctuary. Welcome to the age of AI-driven comfort.